Hi guys, here we have a Denon DRM 400 tape cassette deck, which I've been asked to have a look at. As you can see, it's not been used in a while, covered in dust. Just have a look at the back here. There's a model number with a serial, and it's just got a phono in and out, which connects to an amplifier. I haven't got an amplifier as such. I'll have to use one of my cassette players with the input. So just show you inside here. There's a little tab missing off this, little retainer missing off this take-up wheel for the rewind, which is making it play fast and not rewinding. Just show you some of the dust on the item here. So just pop a tape in. Let me just give you a demonstration of what happens. You can hear there, it just seems to be playing like fast forward. I'll just turn the tape around, try the other side. As you see, it's still doing the same thing, so I'll just strip it down and have a look. So I've disconnected the power, and I'm just going to look inside here. Disconnect the phono leads also. And that's just checking that the capstan wheel's free, which it is. Let's give a close up here. This is the back of the tape cassette mechanism. Just going to put a bit of grease around that white gear there. So first thing, I'm going to remove the cassette mechanism, have a look, see what the problem is inside. Make sure the belts are in place because they usually perish. And it's just 4 screws holding this cassette mechanism in place. Remove this front part of the tape cassette door. And then just force the cassette mechanism out. Here you can see this is the right hand side. It's got the little retainer there on the play take up wheel. But as you see on the left hand side here, the retainer is missing. And what happens is this is the rewind and forwards. It swings across there to engage, but being as the retainer is missing, it can't engage with the rewind. So I've got a bit of plastic, bit of hard plastic, and what I've got to do is use that as a retainer. So I'll just put it fits in place there. I'll just cut it down a little bit, and then just go over it with a black marker so it doesn't look as much.
October. £32 odd an hour, you know. That's good money, isn't it?
It's brilliant though. As you can see there, just go over it with a marker.
It's snobbish, but I can't live on the bread line. Use top of money. That's what she said.
Just give it a little demo before put the unit together. You see there, rewind. Forward and rewind seem to be working fine. Just try play. And it seems to be working okay. So it's just a matter of reassembling the unit. And I've given the whole thing a clean, as you can see here. And just get a final test. Just pop this tape in here, press play. And that seems to be working fine. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.
Are you ready to rumble?
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DP.
Request the people that will have cable.
BTLBC, yeah, we hooking back up. Anything that's in the club, baby, you got to get up.